training field.
Yes, sir. Where's Jevin? Here, sir. No one is allowed to be late to my class. I'm sorry.
50 jump squats now.
What? Oh my God. Yes, sir. Help me, guys. I'm so tired.
Oh my God.
I'm done. Today's lesson, long distance
White
running.
noise.
Everyone get in position.
Yes, sir.
Get ready.
I can't go on. Run faster. Oh my God. Be careful, guys.
Everyone is punished with 20 laps.
What? It's all your fault.
I'm sorry.
You will pay for this.
What? I'm sorry. Oh my God. Why do you always cause trouble for us?
You'll pay for this.
What the? Who did this?
Oh my
God.
It was Jevin, sir.
No, I didn't. I really didn't.
You again. Everyone grab a marker and draw on Jevin's face.
No, please. I didn't do it. What? You can't do this to me.
Oh, yeah?
We can. It hurts. Please stop. My face. Ah! Get out. Why would you treat me like this? What?
Your punishment isn't over yet.
No! Please, don't.
What the?
Oh no, I'm doomed.
How dare you?
Ah!
Clean this place up immediately.
Yes, sir. What? Ah!
Look at him. How pathetic. Give him some water. He looks exhausted.
No!
Who's making noise?
Oh my God.
What on earth have you done?
I
Stay in there and reflect on your behavior.
I didn't do it! Please let me out! Fire!
Oh no!
I'm trapped in here. Somebody help me! What's happening? No! Stop this! No! It's over. My life is really over. Help! 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 Help!
Is that Jevin? What about Veneria and the teacher?
No!
Oh my God. No!
We're going to die!
Thank goodness.
I'm so sorry, Jevin.
Huh?
You're a hero. I'm sorry and thank you so much.